For me, I think the performing and the visual arts not only impact tourism and give us a great product to sell, but it also greatly impacts the quality of life for our local residents in our community. And I'm a resident here too, and I love the performing and the visual arts. And so for both of those reasons, you know, my professional life and my personal life kind of collide with the arts being a big piece of that. So I'm the president and CEO of the Little Rock Convention and Visitors Bureau. And we manage several public facilities in Little Rock, including the River Market, State House Convention Center, and the Robinson Center. We also are the marketing and sales organization for the City of Little Rock. So we recruit meetings and conventions. We do general tourism advertising for the destination. Early 2011, the facility was many years old. It had a lot of deficiencies, and we were starting to have serious conversations about the need to infuse a significant amount of money to do a major renovation to not only save and restore a historic landmark in downtown Little Rock, but also create a world-class performance theater for the city in Central Arkansas. Everyone that has lived in or around Central Arkansas for any amount of time have a personal tie to this building. I got to hear all of those stories through the years of this project. And then we also added this really great modern new structure to the north side of it to really give the building two front faces. So it's got its historical southern facade, and then it's got a northern facade that's real modern and all glass feature that wraps the building. And I think they did an amazing job of pulling together the new and the historic in a very nice way. You know, it was not only a sigh of relief, but it was also a proud moment. At that point, we were 5 years into the deal, and it had not only taken over my life and many others' lives. Our owners team was a tight-knit group of now friends. These public facilities are not only to generate economic impact from a tourism standpoint, but they also greatly impact the quality of life for residents. And so this building not only has a conference center where we can recruit meetings and conventions to town, and that helps generate additional economic impact, but it truly is a world-class performing arts center. It's home to our symphony orchestra, Ballet Arkansas, and our Broadway theater series, among a variety of other concerts. So it greatly impacts the quality of life for the community, and it is far-reaching in that impact. And so we knew the significant importance of this building, and we were so pleased to actually have the financial standing to be able to tackle it without having to go increase taxes, without having to make a major public push for additional funding. I've had the great fortune to work for an organization that provides tremendous support for the arts in our community, and whether that is direct marketing dollars for great institutions like the Rep, Ballet Arkansas, or the Arkansas Symphony Orchestra, whether that is helping develop and grow our amazing public sculpture collection here in Central Arkansas, whether that's creating programming and partnerships like Jazz in the Park that benefits the Art Porter Music Foundation, or providing tremendous public dollars for the future Arkansas Arts Center renovation, or getting to lead this project with the Robinson Center and really restoring a historic landmark that is the anchor performing arts center in Central Arkansas. I've had the great fortune to work for an organization that has allowed me to be a part of all of those organizations.